If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I am back with another collaboration. Me and my friends Kate White and Leslie Ariana here on YouTube decided to do a collaboration Valentine's Day look, because this time of year we all get gussied up and want to go out, be with our significant others or a loved one. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with, keep on watching. But before I go any further, because many a times I forget, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you could select all in your notifications. This way YouTube actually notifies you the moment I do an upload. I'm currently trying to keep up with my 3 days a week, posting around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's get started and go. So before I officially start with my makeup, we need something for my hair because it's everywhere. I love, love, love my little Hello Kitty headband. See, Hello Kitty. Many have been asking where I got my headband, and it's from CVS, actually from the Creme Shop, and it was like 10-12 bucks. So if you're interested, head over there because they have loads of styles, and a friend of mine went to pick one up and they currently have Valentine's Day one. Now to get a crisp line, I'm going to use my elf tape. And to start off as my base today, I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect. Now what I'm thinking of doing is something very soft, very sultry. I don't want to go all wild for Valentine's Day basically. I brought out my Nomad palette. It's my Nomad palette, Berlin Underground, and my Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust palette. I felt they were both very fitting. My Nomad palette, you've probably seen her before, my Scarlet Dust. So I'm gonna start with my transition shade right now. I'm gonna go in with Lotus right here from the Ace Beauty palette. And I'm gonna go in lightly tapping it in. Go in with my darker shade. I cannot pronounce this word, but it's this kind of brownish with a red tone. And I'm just tapping that on the outer edges. And I'm kind of just like tapping it in and then buffing it outward so it goes to the inner portion of my crease, the center. I'm going to use this tiny little detail brush from Hank & Henry. I'm going to go into this black shade right here, just lightly tap it on the outer corner. This little Morphe crease brush or concealer brush, and I'm gonna go in Maui. I'm gonna spray it with some Slay All Day. Go to the brush where I got that brown shade, just kind of try to blend a little bit, tapping it out in the corners. And with no more product, the first brush, and back with the black. On the inner portion, I'm going to actually go in with some liquid liner. So far, I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. I'm going to get off camera, finish this eye, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. So I decided to do my base so that way we could move it along and it doesn't take as long. But so far, so good. So to bronze up my skin and warm it up, because again, I don't want to go all out. I usually like to keep it simple when it comes to going out with my family. I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics Cheek Leader Bronze Squad, and I'm going to use the original Hoola Bronzer. Lincoln Henry Trisha brush. The mirror in that one's so dirty. I'm going to go in with my Sandra brush and blend it out. I'm also going to be using the Coralista shade here from the palette as well. I'm going to go in with Coconut because the other one's out. Alright, now let's start my under eyes. I'm going to use this little Luxie pencil brush. So I'm going to go into Lotus with the little detail brush. I did end up mixing Nautical, this guy right here as well. Now I want to deepen it up a little bit more, and I'm going back with the black. Now I'm going to get another fluffy brush. I'm going back into Lotus. So before I go any further, I need some highlighter because right now I look pretty plain. So I'm thinking of mixing these two shades. I'm going to mix the pink and the white for my regular highlight, and then on my inner corner I'm going to pop this purple. So now I'm going to mix this guy again and that one. I'm back again. So we're just gonna finish my lips and I'll be done. I'm gonna go in again. I'm gonna keep it fairly simple today. I'm gonna go in with my bullet lipstick from Gerard's Cosmetics, very classic, shade number 1995. Very stunning neutral shade, and it literally can go with any skin color. Nice nude. Next, I'm gonna go in with my new Kosas Wet. It's a lip oil, a tinted lip oil. This is shade Dip. This is very nice and hydrating. Instead of a gloss that could be a little, you know, tacky or, you know, gummy, this gives you the lip oil and tint, which is complementary to my color, and it's giving you, you know, protection and moisturization. So here's my completed look, you guys. Overall, I'm very happy with what I came up with. The inner corner got a little away from me just for a little bit, but overall, I'm very happy with what I came up with. Again, for myself, I keep it very, very simple when it comes to actually looks when I go out with my family. I don't want to be looking like I'm an Instagram person, you know what I mean, out in public with my family. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Please remember to go check out Leslie and Kate's channel once you're done with my video, and let me know in the comments below if you like the look or what would you improve for my look, because again, I know there's a few little things I kind of snafu'd on. But anyways, thank you all so much. Goodbye.